That's really nice. Do you think it can also be used in terms of customer facing applications?
Absolutely. I mean, you see this, right? You've seen this with other fintechs. I mean, examples that come to mind, Klarna, which is using that to deal with a lot of customer queries. So, we've all seen and probably all experienced using a chatbot when we've dealt with a bank. Obviously, I think, again, you have to think about who's the end user. And at the end of the day, if it's a business that wants to borrow $5 million, then probably they don't want to deal with a chatbot. They want to deal with a human, and actually, you're going to get a lot more value from that if you build a human to human relationship. But there could be parts of the journey, right? Whether it's in terms of putting together the credit analysis, the credit paper, whether it's in terms of the portfolio monitoring and spotting early warning indicators, potential red flags that you might want to discuss with the customer, whether it's running scenario analysis to see how, perhaps a base rate change might impact, or a piece of regulation might impact the business. So we use AI and machine learning really across the business, and we have been for several years in that way. But I think, as you say, in terms of the customer facing application, it's it sort of depends on the product, right? I think, as I say, we're doing business lending and business banking, so there are certain parts which probably, will lend themselves more naturally to using AI versus others where I think a human relationship is really crucial. And I think we'll always try to find it's always going to be a human-led business, but with technology enhancing the human as opposed to replacing them.
That's really nice. And if I ask you for your advice in your entire journey, what have you gone through, right?